Hello, my name is Beth, and in this video, I'd like to show you how easy it is to set up Mekorma Electronic Signatures functionality in your Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central environment. Mekorma Electronic Signatures works in conjunction with Dynamics 365 Business Central's payment approval workflow to free your executives or whoever signs your check payments from having to do the job manually. It helps your company change the check printing workflow from this to this. This means your check signers can easily work remotely. They don't have to be in the office or on site when checks are printed. It also gives them back valuable hours of the day since the check signing process becomes automated and part of Business Central's digital approval workflow. Let's take a quick look at how simple it is to add electronic signatures to your Business Central payment process. In order to print electronic signatures on your checks, you'll need to import the signature files to Business Central. Access the Mekorma Signatures list from Business Central's Tell Me feature and add a new signature. In the Mekorma Signatures maintenance page, enter the signature ID and description, then import the correct signature image. Signatures can be either a JPEG or a 16-color bitmap file. Recommended dimensions should be somewhere in the vicinity of 220 by 50 pixels. Repeat these steps for any additional signatures you have. There's no limit on how many you can upload. Then you'll need to configure the rules that will determine when signatures print based on your organization's policies. In our example scenario, checks up to $20,000 require the CFO's signature. Checks above $20,000 to $100,000 need both the CFO's and the president's signatures. For any payment over $100,000, only blank lines will print so that Dave and Ellen can hand sign, giving them that extra oversight for high-value transactions. Access the Mekorma Thresholds list and create a new threshold ID. To set up the signature rules we just described, be sure your cursor is on the threshold field of the row you want to define and go into the details. Then it's easy to choose your threshold ranges in the amount fields and assign the right signatures in the signature image fields. Note that you can assign up to 2 signatures for each threshold level and choose to print signature lines or not. Your organization may have different signature rules based on your different bank accounts, so Mekorma allows you to create as many threshold IDs as you like. Next, we need to assign the threshold ID to a bank account for the signature rules to take effect when check payments are approved and printed. Search for the Bank Accounts page and choose the bank account you want to assign the signature rules to. On the bank account card, scroll to Mekorma Settings and select the threshold ID you want to apply to this bank account. Do the same thing for each bank account that needs signature rules applied. Mekorma Electronic Signatures provides 4 check layout formats that support electronic signatures. To select your preferred format, access the Report Selection Bank Account page. Choose Check from the Usage drop-down list and type the report ID for the Mekorma format you want. These are the IDs that correspond to the possible Mekorma check formats. Once your initial setup is complete, checks can be printed with the signatures you've associated with payment threshold levels. Mekorma Electronic Signatures relies on Business Central's Payment Journals feature to do this. When paying a vendor invoice as a computer check payment, you can preview the signatures that will appear on the check. Once payments have gone through Business Central's approval workflow, they can be printed directly to a printer or as a PDF document, complete with signatures. Checks can then be sent to your vendors and payments can be posted in your system. You can find Mekorma Electronic Signatures in Microsoft's App Source. And best of all, you can download, install, and use the functionality at no cost. Thanks for watching and have a great day.